BrainDancer is a pneumatic phantom capable of producing dynamic signal for use with fMRI. In this video, I'm going to demonstrate preparation of the phantom in a scanner, and I'm going to run it during EPI. What you are seeing on screen is the phantom itself. It contains a specialized cartridge which loads the receive coil and rotates controllably, producing expected, repeatable signal. The controller is the brain of your phantom. It controls airflow to the pneumatic motor, determines the position of your phantom via optical fibers, and it has a simple graphical user interface which allows you to easily run your phantom. Place your phantom inside the head coil. A bubble level indicator is mounted on the phantom's chassis to help you consistently position it every time. Secure the black and white air hoses onto their respective fittings. Take care not to cross thread as you tighten them. They should screw down without much resistance and fit snug. Pass the air hoses and optical fiber through a wall conduit and into the control room. Power on the phantom controller first, then secure the air hoses and optical fibers to the controller. Take care when handling the optical fibers as they are delicate. Light from the emitter will pass through the fiber. Any kink in the fiber will prevent light from traveling back to the detector. Once connected, the green indicator LED labeled active will blink momentarily. The red indicator labeled power will stop blinking and stay on. The optical encoder is now properly connected. At this point, your controller is now connected to the phantom via optical fibers and air hoses. Next, your controller will be hooked up to pressurized air. As with the controller, the air compressor and red air hose must never be brought into the shielded MRI room. They contain ferrous components and will pose significant danger within the strong magnetic field. Plug your air compressor directly into an electrical outlet. Do not use a surge protector or splitter. Ensure that your regulated air pressure is no greater than 95 psi. Secure the red air hose to the phantom controller first. Then, connect the red air hose to the air compressor. If it is not already open, you can open the valve in the red air hose by turning it 90 degrees. Run a system check to ensure that everything is connected properly. You are now finished preparing the BrainDancer system. Initialize to bring the phantom to its starting position. Run a calibration. This will take 10 minutes and will move your phantom clockwise and counterclockwise by varying degrees. Make sure the air compressor is at full pressure before starting, as this process does consume a large volume of air. Check your calibration output and reinitialize the phantom. Next, load the sequence you intend to use. This function can be found under the Run Sequence menu. Sequences are formatted as text files and are stored in the USB thumb drive connected to the phantom controller. Be sure to connect the MRI scanner's BNC trigger to the phantom controller prior to running your sequence. Make sure your field of view encompasses the entire cartridge. Congratulations! You are now collecting data with BrainDancer. The phantom will rotate in between TRs when it receives the trigger from the scanner. I am using a TR of 800 milliseconds in this video. You will notice that the controller is logging new data points every 800 milliseconds, and the phantom is moving in brief pulses.